Hey everyone, this is Shresha Singh and you are currently watching me on our YouTube channel Artistic Zone. So welcome to the second video of our situation test preparation series, and in this video, in this session, you are going to learn how to make this paper bag. Step by step, you'll be getting the demonstration, so make sure you watch this video till the last. If you haven't seen the first video where we created this Ferris wheel, make sure you watch that video right now in order to recreate this model. It will definitely enhance your crafting skills, guys. So without any further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Now we all are done with this cute little paper bag. Make sure you recreate this paper bag and tag us at Artistic Zone to get feedbacks and suggestion. And do let us know in the comment section below what you want to see in the next video.
Alright, so here is your assignment of the day, guys. You have to recreate the paper bag demonstrated in today's class, and using the same technique covered in today's lesson, design and develop a creative paper bag taking inspiration from any Indian folk painting. You can take inspiration from Bunny Teddy painting, you can take inspiration from Patachitra art style. Last but not the least, don't forget to tag us on Instagram to get feedbacks and marks on your model, which is very important for your learning journey. Or if you guys really wants to learn from me directly, if you want me to provide you hand-holding support, feedbacks on your models, suggestions on your models, you guys can join our online or offline classes. It has been already started at Artistic Zone. Every single year we start our classes from February itself, right after your entrance examination. We don't wait for the results, because in that way you'll be end up wasting your time. Second batch will be starting the day after your result declaration. You can also join the classes on the same day, just be then आपकी result आती है. You'll get all the recordings of batch 1 and live interactive daily sessions until your examination in the batch 2. Or if you don't want to waste your time in sourcing all the materials for your situation test, you guys can also order your situation test kit from Artistic Zone. We will be providing every single material in the situation test kit, which will be worth creating like 70 to 80 plus models. So that's it for this session, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. Take care. Wishing you all the very best for your situation test. See you in the next video.